Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Etsy to Make. So actually guys, at first you will need to sign up or log in. So you will need just go to the make.com and log in or create an account and then just create a scenario. So you will need to go with that button and just click it. You will find it on your dashboard. Then you will see a blank canvas where you can add apps or models. So now you will need to click the plus button on the canvas and then just search for Etsy and select it. Okay. Now you will need to choose a trigger model like submit tracking info, for example, and then just go with save. Of course, before saving, you will need to sign in with your Etsy account. And now you should set up the action model. So you will need to click the plus after your Etsy trigger to add an action. And then you will need to choose another app. For example, we'll go with Airtable, Instagram, YouTube, so it's up to you. I will set an example with that app and then just go ahead and click it. And right now you will need to choose the action, so like delete, record, and right now you'll need to go create a connection. So then you can go with Airtable O, and then a connection name, you will need to name it right here, and then just go with save. Okay, and afterward you will need to connect with your Airtable account as well, and afterward you will need just to test or to test that scenario. And there you go. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.